wefanya nini, cheza tu huko mahali sai huko, tukae tukijua vile tutaishi tu huko. So I started like what can we do. Akasema yeye hataki kukaa huko mahali yuko, anataka kutoka. So one day nikamwambia tulia tu kidogo, umeanza tu job, wacha tuokote doa alafu tuone vile tutafanya. Haya, siku moja alijam tu akaamka akasema, Sonkei, mimi sirudi uko ndani leo, sirudi, nataka unilipie hoteli nitoke leo. And I did that night. Hata nilistuka, alinipigia tu simu, I was like but alikuwa so mad, like hataki kukaa huko ndani, amekaa huko sana, yani he wants to be free. Nikasema ni sawa basi, toka tu basi. So that's when it started. Nikaanza okay, so tunaenda wapi? Hakuna mahali tunaweza enda, mimi niko far away, it's KC, I am literally in Seattle, that is fucking far. So sijui mtu yote KC, sijui hata mtu naweza patia room nilipe wakae akae. So nikashindwa sasa nitafanya. So the only option was hoteli. Siwezi lipa hoteli every day, ni pesa mingi. So tukaanza ku budget like how much, tuka come down to your Motel 6, which is still even so expensive. It's very expensive because like I pay $500 a week. Na saa ingine na ni taxes inapanda, saa ingine inashuka. So nikasema ni sawa babe, twende tu, if you want this freedom enda basi. So akatoka akakuja huko. We are talking about July until last Friday ndio nimekata pesa. Every week namtumia chakula nini. Yeah, I did believe in love, so msini judge, it's okay. And I did have the money to do it, so it's still okay. So mali litokea shida, mimi kwanza nilimwambia I love a sister wife. Mimi I'm too busy.
Hello guys, it's your girl Patience Status. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscription box and put on the notification bell so that you don't forget anytime I post a new video. Remember, I'm the queen of online gossip. So welcome to today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment on the comment section.
This is here. Thank you for coming. Now,
I need a lawyer though.
And then official Chicha is also a senior counsel. But I think he's live at the moment. We've got other senior counsels like Githaiga Wachai.
I want Githaiga as my lawyer though.
Yeah, but it depends on whether he's available, whether or not he's available, Miss Forrest.
So, a random lawyer who doesn't know anything.
Any random lawyer, please come and represent me.
Questions without consulting each other. He needs to be he needs to be aware of what is going on.
If you've been following the case, please be my lawyer.
Yes, okay. So now, we also, by the prosecutor, we also need...
And then request, please.
Prosecutor, please up, sir.
Okay, atuko kule sasa. Here we have orders, please. So now we also want, if we have the key witnesses, Kamba Princess, and the other one, Naya something. If you have it, please, Karaka.
Okay. So, Your Honor, we still need the defendant.
Yes.
I think Kamba Princess was up here. She seems to have dropped as well, for whatever reason. I don't know. Okay, so we will, Your Honor, should we continue? Or should we, let me see if we can.
Sure, we just wanted,
So if we had both their attorneys, then we'd be able to continue. I don't know if someone can come in for Miss Magda Harris, because she was the attorney for Mr. Pabs. So if we have an attorney for Mr. Pabs, it would actually be in order for us to continue. Pap has dropped Philo, but we just need an attorney for him.
Yeah, I think
To step in.
I'm a princess and after the court, so the
Okay.
If the jury feel that Sonkei should start, I'm okay with that, and I mute.
Okay, Your Honor, so I will do a quick poll. The juries should, you need to respond to the poll. So should Sonkei start? Yes, for the smiley face. So let's respond to the poll very, very fast, guys. Everybody vote. Press the poll. Should Ms. Sonkei Kores begin, or should we wait for Mr. Pap? Everybody respond to the poll. Everybody respond to the poll very, very fast, guys. Please, thank you. So should she begin or should we wait for Mr. Pap? Okay. Okay, so the poll has actually come in as yay. So members of the jury want the case to continue, Your Honor. So I have already sworn in Ms. Kores, and I believe she can now continue. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll mute. Ms. Kores, the mic is yours.
Thank you, Your Honor. So I'm still gonna start from where we left earlier. This relationship started around June hapo chini, and I met this man, and at first we did not start dating. He just told me what he's going through, where he is at. I'm from jail. He needed some help here and there, and I decided to stand in. So later, sasa after I started standing in, ndio sasa tukaamua, he started wanting me to be now fully there. And then we talk about the relationship, and he said, yes, we can do it, and all that. And I went fully into it. And I wanted to stand in for my man. So I started doing everything. Like at that point, at that time when we started dating, he was actually not even outside. He was still in the half forever. If you know, from jail, there's that place they keep you guys if you don't have anywhere to go. So that's when we started dating. Akiwa hiyo half. Then he didn't like it, and I was like, this is so sad. Every time I have to let him go. He was in jail. I see Ochot writing. Yeah, he was in jail for battery. Walipiga mtu. So yeah, so he was incarcerated for 1 year. I'm gonna talk about him only. Even if he has a twin, I don't wanna touch his twin. So he was incarcerated for 1 year, and he's still on probation for 5 years in KC, Kansas City. So I decided to stand in there. I didn't even know that I'm gonna fall in love at that point. Like I just went in there helping. Before I know, mapenzi mekubali, tukaanza tunapendana nini. The first time I remember very much, he told me, show me, like him himself pia alinitumia a video for like video yake. His manhood, he sent it to me. And then I was like, it's just fair for me also to show him my body. So nikasimama kwa kamera, nikamshow. Hata ikuwa na filter. I send it to him directly. So hiyo video nye imetumiwa the DJ, it is me who send it to him. He asked me to do it. and it hurts me that he sent it to other women back in Kenya, and that's why I want to sue him for it. And I know already ako kwa shida, but I'm still gonna do it, I swear to God, unless something happens, but I'm so hurt for that. So later, after that, he was actually supposed to come and live with me. So we were like, so anafaa kutoka huko, atakaa wapi? Hatukuwa na mahali anaweza enda kuishi. So you know, we Raf Muli unajua ukitoka jela, judge, you know, I'm sorry my honor, you know exactly how hard it is. So we were looking ataenda wapi. So nikasema at first he was to come to my place. Nikamwambia kuja, na nikatuma address kwa atumie nani huyo parole officer wake ndiye akuja ishi na mimi. Then kidogo the same day tulifanya hivyo, akapata kazi mzuri sana, inamlipa pesa mzuri. So nikamwambia since hapa hatuna kazi, ukikuja huku side ya Seattle, wewe fanya nini? Cheza tu huko mahali sai huko, tukae tukijua vile tutaishi tu huko. So I started like, what can we do? Akasema yeye hataki kukaa huko mahali yuko, anataka kutoka. So one day nikamwambia tulia tu kidogo, umeanza tu job, wacha tuokote doa alafu tuone vile tutafanya. Haya, siku moja alijam tu, akaamka akasema, Sonkei, mimi sirudi uko ndani leo, sirudi, nataka unilipie hoteli nitoke leo. And I did that night. Hata nilistuka, alinipigia tu simu, I was like but alikuwa so mad, like ataki kukaa huko ndani, amekaa huko sana, yani he wants to be free. Nikasema ni sawa basi, toka tu basi. So that's when it started. Nikaanza, okay, so tunaenda wapi? Hakuna mahali tunaweza enda, mimi niko far away, it's KC, I am literally in Seattle, that is fucking far. So sijui mtu yote KC, sijui hata mtu naweza patia room nilipe wakae akae. So nikashindwa sasa nitafanya. So the only option was hoteli. Siwezi lipa hoteli every day, ni pesa mingi. So tukaanza ku budget like how much, tuka come down to your Motel 6, which is still even so expensive. It's very expensive because like I pay $500 a week. Na saa ingine na ni taxes inapanda, saa ingine inashuka. So nikasema ni sawa babe, twende tu, if you want this freedom enda basi. So akatoka akakuja huko. We are talking about July until last Friday ndio nimekata pesa. Every week namtumia chakula nini. Yeah, I did believe in love, so msini judge, it's okay. And I did have the money to do it, so it's still okay. So mali litokea shida, mimi kwanza nilimwambia I love a sister wife. Mimi I'm too busy. Me by the way, I want a sister wife in my life. Hata leo if I get married again, because I already got married and divorced. If today I get married again, I want a sister wife. Because I'm too busy. I want somebody akuje kama siko. Yeah, I know amtani believe, but that is actually, I would rather have a sister wife than my husband and a cheat na some random bitches somewhere else.
After nimekutetea hivi yote, jaribu.
So after that, mali litokea shida. First ilianzia na nani anaitwa nani, Karolem. Alikuwa anataka Karolem akakuja. Karolem akanipeleka mbio. Ni kama hata mko mmenotice, kulikuwa na vita kubwa sana mimi na Karolem tukipigania Papster. Na Papster ananiambia, Sonkei, unajua wewe ndio mama lao kwa ground. Wachana na wanawake, si na wakagua tu hapo kwa TikTok, lakini unajua ndio bibi yangu. Inanisumbua, unajua si eti niko na shida nayo, nataka niambie huyu ndio sahi nakatia. Lakini nikiingia kwa life yake nakuja natukanwa. Mpaka yeye mwenyewe ananitext ananiambia, tulia tu, usijam, lakini natukanwa for no reason. Aya, nani huyu Carolem akadrop akaenda, hakurudi. Carolem alirudi akasema mimi siwezi taka feloni. Sonkei wewe peke yako ndo unaweza ezana na huyu twin, mimi simtaki. Aya, Carolem akaenda. Carolem asema Sonkei, mimi sina hiyo pesa yenye unatumia hapa kwa huyu mwanaume, sina. Nimeona pesa unatuma, situmi. Akaenda. Next akaleta sasa huyu nani. Kwanza alijaribu kuleta Misty hakuingia box. Sasa wakakuwa beste. Alikuwa ananiambia kila kitu. So nikamwambia Misty ni mrembo lakini si akumbali yake. Aya. Mimi sijui vile iliendelea. Nikamwambia ngangana, akaniambia wacha tu ngangana tu na Misty lakini sijui kama atanikubali. Nikamwambia ngangana. Before hata nijue nikasikia Kamba Princess ni best yangu Instagram 2021. Huyu ni neighbor wangu hata hapa Seattle. I know her. Na hiyo siku Carolem alikuwa na datiwa. Kamba Princess alikuwa kwa comment section akisema hata mimi nataka kujua ni familia. She was so loud there. Nikamwambia Papsa, hebu angalia Kamba Princess, unajua namjua ni jirani yangu. Akaniambia akona pesa. Nikamwambia mimi sijui. Kwani unatafuta watu wote wako na pesa? Akaniambia nataka wanawake wako na pesa kama wewe. Akaendea Kamba Princess. Kenye ilitukosanisha ni Kamba Princess nilipompigania atujoin, yeye anapanda ananitukana hadi analipa mtu akuja anitukane literally. Yani Kamba Princess was so messy mpaka nikastuka. Kwani umenigeuzia saa ngapi? Papa anakuja ananiambia Sonkei usikachu. Unajua kenye inaendelea. Unajua ndio mama kwa ground. Udem alinitusi, akanitusi, nikanyamaza. So makosa ilitokea lini? Ni siku moja last weekend but one. Nilisema simtumii pesa, natumia brother yake ni twin wake. So nikasema hii wiki hii pesa sitakutumia, acha nitumie brother yako juu pia anahitaji, which hata hataki nimuongelele. Niliposema hivyo Pap alinichukia, akasema unaniachisha pesa na unajua niko vibaya, kwa nini unafanya hivyo? But I judged the situation that night. Nikaamua hapana, hii pesa ya leo sikutumii, acha tu iende kwa brother yako. Hapo ndo tulikosana. And then akaamua sasa Sonkei, ngoja nikupange, huyu ndo bibi yangu sasa kutoka leo. Hapo ndo tulikosana. Nikanyamaza, nikasema sawa. Wakaenda TikTok, walikuwa wanafanya TikTok tour. This is my wife. Mpaka jana huyu Misty mwenyewe alipigiwa simu na Papsa akimwambia nirudishie Sonkei. Ambia Sonkei arudi, niko vibaya. Na nikalia sana. Misty akaniambia shika simu yake anakupigia. Nikalia, sikujua nilikuwa napangwa. Kumbe alikuwa tu anataka pesa. Nikamwambia ndatuma. Sijatuma mpaka saa hii. Nikanyamaza. Leo unajua nini ilifanyika? Tukajipata huko kwa Big Daddy. Kujipata kwa Big Daddy tumeongea, tumetusiana na huyu Kamba Princess. Mpaka akakaa chini. Kuna dema anaitwa Mia akamwambia, Kamba Princess, Sonkei ni chizi lakini kuna ukweli anakuambia. Akakaa chini. Kamba Princess ako na namba yangu, ananijua. Yeye mwenyewe akanipigia simu. Akaambia Sonkei, mimi sijaiko sana na wewe. Tunapigia Papsa saa hii. Tukaingia kwa call mimi, yeye na Papsa. Papsa akatuambia, sasa kama nawapenda nyinyi wote, kwa nini mumejuana leo? Kamba Princess akajam. Hata nashindwa vile amekuja hapa anatukanana. Na tumetoka kwa call sisi wote tukiongea. Kabla tukuje huko kwa Menes tulikuwa kwa call. Na tukaongea kabisa. Nikamwambia Kamba Princess, mimi sina shida na wewe, lakini usinitukane. Achana tu na mimi. Endelea na kwanza wewe ametujoin tu 1 week ago. Kamba Princess ametujoin 1 week ago. Lakini ile mbio ametupeleka. Hata Papsa mwenyewe ameniambia hii nayo siezani. Ananiambia huyu nipatie 1 week ni muache. Achezi kama vile unacheza. Nikamwambia kwa nini unaweka pesa hapa? Wachana na pesa. Fall in love if you want to fall in love. Kamba Princess akashuka, Papsa akabaki na simu na mimi. Akaniambia Sonkei, wachana na wanawake na wakota TikTok. Wachana na wao. Wanawake ni wa online, wewe ndio kwa ground. Nikashindwa. You cannot be saying like that. Nikimrudisha hapa nataka kumwambia the same thing umesema. Kidogo Kamba Princess amekuja huko kwa life ya nani ya Paps nani anaitwa nani ya Menes. Akasema tuko na chai. Ilibidi tupande. Tukakuja hivi ndio tumejipata hapa. But what I know I have na mtu asiniambie mimi ni sijui nimemwaga pesa. Pesa yangu imekuliwa hapa TikTok, nimesaidia watu, wachana na hizo. And he needed that money at that time. Na kama jana ndio nimekataa kutuma pesa. Imebidi tu nikatae. Ilibidi. Na ni jana peke yake nimekataa. Because I do send every week. Jana ndio nimekataa. And him having my nudes. Alafu anasambazia wanawake wenye ana date Kenya. I am gonna sue him. I'm gonna sue him for that. And nobody should tell me anything about that. That is porn, whatever. Inaitwa nini? You cannot.
Revenge porn.
Yeah, that is revenge porn. And I'm still gonna fight for that. Going forward. Sijui Menes unipigie simu.
It's also cyberbullying.
Yep.
Which is a federal offense.
Order, we are the court, lawyers. We are the court. We are the court, please. We are the court. Atuko kuombea.
Ochot siwezi msamea.
Nyamaza hapo kwanza wewe Ralph na ulinitusi. I'm here for you.
Let's say I'm out.
Okay. No. Sorry, Your Honor. Sorry about that.
I think
okay.
I
1 minute, Miss Corres. 1 minute, Miss Corres. Wait a minute. Now, I'm going to remind every senior counsel coming to court that you have to respect our judges in this court. Please, guys, respect our judges. Whether it is Judge Muli up on the bench, or Judge Auka on the bench, or Judge Cinderella on the bench, please respect our judges. Any differences that you may have with any of the judges, square them outside of the court. Please, senior counsels. Thank you so much. Let's continue. Ms. Corres, take the mic.
So the problem with him, he comes and manipulate like me. He doesn't manipulate me because I got my shit together. I got money and he knows. Lakini he comes and manipulate these women. Like mtu kama Kamba Princess anaambua Sonkei ametuma $500. We tuma cheza kama yeye. So Kamba Princess started hating me because I sent all this money. Anastuka kama akona hiyo pesa ya kutuma. So he manipulate them. Like Kamba Princess anasema like so for her she comes and say, "Pap, nimekutumia $100, nitumie coins hapa TikTok ndio Sonkei aone mimi ndo the bigger wife." Hizo tujinga. I'm like, Sonkei is not like that. Mimi sikujange hapa TikTok nikiwaomba coins. Mimi siwezi. But utakuwa kwa live. Anaingia chai, anatumiwa pesa. Yeye mwenyewe ananitextia, ananiambia ametuma nimtumie coins. Nashindwa, kwa nini unachukua na TikTok inachukua 70%? Na unajua already uko kwa shida, unataka pesa. Si akutumie tu hiyo pesa basi utumie. Asema sasa si hivyo ndiye anataka. So mimi nimeshinda tu hapa na waangalia. I'm like, what is wrong with you guys? Na nikaamka nikanyamaza, sijawahi waongelesha. You know, nilimwambia Papsa, as much nilikupatia ruhusa uende ukacheat the way you want. Hapa nayo staki, because the reason nilikataa Kamba Princess ni kwa sababu anakuja kwa my inbox, ananitukania mama yangu, ananiambia mama yangu sijui alikufa, ananitukana matusi kubwa kubwa. I'm like, nini mbaya? But I knew the man is manipulating her. Anamwambia Sonkei ako na pesa, nataka ucheze kama Sonkei. I'm like, you should not be doing that to you. Wewe jikune mali unaweza. Anasema huyu anatuma tu $100 na anataka ni mclaim TikTok mzima. Nikamwambia you cannot be doing that to them. No. Wachana, kama Sonkei is able to send you $1,000, everybody cannot send you that. Huyo ni Sonkei peke yake, mwingine haezi, hataweza. Ama kuna mwingine ataweza zaidi ya Sonkei, lakini wacha, do not manipulate them to feel like kila mtu, hawa mama wote wenye wanamtaka, they come and attack me because huyu popstar anawaambia, like he tells them, do you know what Sonkei send me every week? Do you know how much she send me? And then mimi nakuja stray bullets from nowhere. Nashindwa, nikakaa chini nikamwambia, papi, you cannot do this to me. Nakuja live natukanwa, kila mtu ananidharau. Like, kumbe amewadanganya, amewamanipulate. Tuko kwa live ananitai pia, ananiambia, Sonkei, nimemwambia umetuma $200 acheze kama wewe. Why will you do this to them? Leo ndio Kamba Princess nimemkalisha chini nikamwambia, wewe, mimi sina shida na wewe. And I don't even care wewe kukua my co-wife, sijui ni co-wife ama nini mahali tulikuwa. But do not feel intimidated, like unaogopa Sonkei kwa sababu Papsan anakuambia, anakuintimidate, Sonkei utuma hivi na umeshindwa kutuma. That is us. It is so crazy and I hate it. Na kenye imenimaliza kabisa leo ni hiyo nudes zangu zenye nilimtumia mimi mwenyewe. Kila siku nikiwa kwa show ananiambia tuoge. Nimekataa kufungua kamera going forward because kuna huyo demu yake anaitwa Rian, ako Kenya, wananyonganga na yeye. Amemtumia nude yangu. Na amenitumia nude ya huyu mwingine. Na huyo demu ameshinda akiniambia, Sonkei nitakuanika niko na nude zako. Sikujua konazo until today. Today ndio nimejua ni ukweli alitumiwa. And I'm gonna call his probation officer. I'm gonna go full force on this. Na mtu asinijaribu, asiniongeleshe. I am done. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Collins. Your Honor, I'll move the mic back to you, please.
Yes, I think Sonkei ametueleza everything kuhusu vile lianza. Na if we have senior counsels, though I've not seen the defendant hapa ama
I have one of the defendants is in the guest. I'll bring her up.
yes,
I'll put one of the senior counsels down. Mr. Siraj, I'll put you down for a little bit and before you come back up later. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bring Carolem too up because she was among the group of the co-wives.
I've actually sent the invite to her, but she failed to come up. I think she's still not ready to come up. Okay, so allow me to Kamba Princess. Okay, allow me to first of all swear Kamba Princess in. I don't know if she's available. Kamba Princess, can you unmute, please? Unmute 1 minute, please. I want to confirm that indeed you're available. Absolutely. We've got Senior Prosecutor Betty Black already writing out a few charges. Kamba Princess. Hello, Kamba Princess. Kamba Princess. Can you hear me, Kamba Princess?
I can.
Yes, okay. So are you Christian or Muslim? Are you Christian or Muslim? I just need to swear you in very quickly so you can give your statement, please.
I can't do this when Papsa is not around. Sorry.
Okay, so can you call him, please? Just call him, if you don't mind. Because we've been waiting. He was up here. I think his network messed up and he dropped.
Okay.
Yeah, just call him. You can mute and call him. Just let him know that we're waiting for him.
Oh, anaitwa TikTok Swidler.
For the defendants, maybe Sonkei, if you can tell us exactly when you guys started like daring, a very brief statement, please. Sonkei, approach the bench. Thank you.
It was exactly around July, because end of July, but early July we started talking and then we fell off very quick. Like we fell off so quick for a minute, for maybe like a week, and then he came back. At that time, like he came back and then we were like, do you want us to do this? And then he said yes. So let me say late July, that's when the relationship kicked off. But early July, it was like we was talking and then I was still holding him together, but akuna vile atuku vibe. Like I felt like I'm not ready for this. Unajua ile, like I was like, this is my next problem. Then he keep on persisting, like every morning you call me, hi mama, hi, hey, good morning my love. Then I started, so in case upendeke. Then that's when I started now indulging into the relationship. So yes, late July, that's when the relationship kicked off.
And at that time, he had already come out from jail or a prison, right?
He was out already from the carceration. He was jailed for 1 year. So aliachiliwa in May, because me na yeye we share the same birthday. We are both Geminis. So alipoachiliwa, they went to the half what inaitwa aje hiyo place wanaendanga kama you got nowhere.
Halfway house.
In public it's called halfway house, but
yes.
Yela inaitagwa farmhouse, meaning that you work from there under supervision. So yes, you're right.
Yes. So the entire time, the entire July alikuwa halfway house. Hata mko mnamjua. Ni alikuwa tu anakuja kidogo, lazima arudi ndani. Anaambia babe nafaa kurudi. So anaenda, simu zinachukuliwa, zinazimwa till tena kesho atoke nje ni muone. Like so we dated for almost even 1 month or 1 month and a half when he was akwa na freedom. Like lazima nijue ni saa ngapi anafunguliwa, alafu ni akwe na simu aniongeleshe. Then akakaa kidogo, akakasirika, hataki kukaa huko. Then that's when sasa akasema tukapata kazi because I was part of the person that was helping get the job, and I was one of the person that made sure that all the licenses were clean, zilikuwa na mambo, nikalipa evaluation nini, nikasafisha kila kitu. Akaingia kwa barabara. So alipoingia kwa barabara, sasa tukaanza kuingiza pesa vizuri kiasi. So tukaamua sasa, what next, we need you to get out. So sasa amepata kazi, hawezi kuja Seattle because the first option was ahamie Seattle mahali niko. But sasa tukapata kazi. Nikamwambia we kaa huko basi, kaa tu huko, alafu ukitaka ndakuja huko nichukue nyumba, alafu ishi vizuri, tuache kulipa tuache kulipa hoteli. Then akakaa kidogo, nikamwambia kaa tu huko alafu save pesa. Akasema hapana, nimemiss, nataka kutoka nje nikunywe pombe. Nikamwambia yenyewe toka basi. So one day nilimwambia tu toka, tuliagree atatoka lini, but siku moja alinipigia tu simu akaniambia babe, I'm going leo, nataka kulala kwa hoteli. Na hivyo ndo alitoka hivyo, nikalipa hoteli until jana sijalipa. Na hapa ndo vita yote imeanza.
Okay. Now, do you realize that your farmhouse, sorry, let me use the words that you keep on saying, house, that you are under supervision and it's part of probation. So you helped him escape from farmhouse, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
No, but his probation officer alimwala atoke, so ako sawa.
No, okay. So did you guys meet in person? Have you ever met in person?
No, in Kenya, but not here.
That was way back.
Yeah, when they were so young in Wilson Airport.
Okay, so this ongoing case ni mtu wa media. Huyu ni mtu ambaye mmedate online.
Online, yes, you can say that currently, yes.
Online means that meet, but mnapigia simu, mnatumiana mapicha, videos and all that, which is allowed, and that's how it also works. So yes.
Yes.
Okay, Madam Prosecutor, if we have the other, I think Kamba Princess is ready to be sworn in. Can she approach the bench, please? Thank you.
Yes, Caroline, come up too, please, if you are here.
No, she will come. She'll come. Kamba Princess. Madam
yes,
Prosecutor.
Kamba Princess, are you ready to proceed? Okay, let me ask him. Okay. So he's not arrived yet, but the minute he arrives, I will up him. Let me see. Perhaps, request. Yeah, bado hajafika kotini. Simoni kwa nini?
Ati mwenyewe kabisa. Ni section kuna mchezo.
Yeah, Simoni kotini bado.
Okay, you have to instead yourself, please, in the court. You understand this is your case, but also, please, unaweza soma comments moyo ama use.
There's no need of interrupting the court. This is not normal platforms. In the court, now we take it serious, please. So, what were you saying before you were rudely interrupted by the complainant? Please, Madam Prosecutor, can you pardon us once again or tell us?
That's okay. That's very okay. So, Your Honor, I'm just going to announce the presence of prosecutor. A third prosecutor in court today, Ms. Magda Harris. We have yet another prosecutor, Mr. Berry Black. So I think Ms. Magda Harris is stepping in. She is representing. She's coming in as a senior counsel for Ms. Sonkei Kores. Oh, no, Mr. Pap, sorry. Madam Prosecutor, can you take the mic, please, and let us know whom you're representing in court today?
Prosecutor Pap is here, please up him.
I'm representing Papstar.
Papstar, thank you so much, thank you. Your Honor, I will now drop one senior counsel, Ms. Bribri. Ms. Bribri, I'll request you to be back on the bench, and we'll bring you back later. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Tumerudisha Kenya TikTok High Court.
Okay, no. We're not doing this. So, my prosecutor, I think it's will be in order for us now to hear before you swear in Kamba Princess. Paps is here. Can he approach the bench, please?
Yes, Your Honor. So, Your Honor, I will proceed and swear him in real quick before I swear in Kaba Princess. Now, Mr. Paps, are you Christian or Muslim or other?
I'm other.
Other, okay. So, I want you to say this after me. I, Papstar, do swear that all I will say before this court today
I do swear that all I'll say in this court
will be the truth
will be the truth
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Kaba Princess, are you Christian, Muslim, or other? Kaba Princess? Thank you. So say this after me. I, Kaba Princess.
I come for princess
I do swear before this court
before this court.
that everything I will say today
Everything I've said today
will be the truth and nothing but the truth.
will be the truth, but nothing but the truth.
So help me God. Thank you. Thank you so much. Your Honor, we also have the presence of Judge Auka in court. So in case he's ready to come up, we'll bring him up. Because I think he has had a bit of this case, so he knows what's going on. Okay. So, Your Honor, we have Mr. Papstar. I think you can proceed with your line of questioning. Thank you.
Pastor, welcome and approach the bench. We've had statements from Sonkei Kores, who is the complainant and the defendant. So if you can give us your statement, please. Thank you.
Hey, I don't have anything against anybody. Hata sijui mbona niko hapa. I don't really understand why, but hey, why am I here?
The way we do our things. So I think you have your Anthony, who is Magda Aris. He can step in really very quick to at this juncture. So in a council, Magda
Hold
Aris.
on. I don't really know what's going on. Hey, why am I here?
Council Magda Aris approach the bench and let him your client what's going on, please. The prosecutor, let
Magda? Yes. Magda?
So you have your lawyer in court today.
Yeah.
So just let us know if you want her to speak on your behalf.
Yeah, please.
Yes, please. And you will remain silent in the court.
I will remain silent. Magda, please.
Please come, sir.
Magda, take control.
Correct. I'm a daddy to punish you, Madam Prosecutor. You take it.
Okay, yes, I'll bring her up, Your Honor. Thank you. Ako chai.
Thank you. Hey, Magda, sasa Magda uko chai aje saizi kwa hii masaa mbaya. Hey.
Jamani. Magda, toka chai. Toka chai.
In the meantime, Madam Prosecutor. It's okay.
No. Miss Corres, please behave in court. Please. Behave yourself. Thank you.
I think Magda Aris is Anthony. He's still trying to consult or going through the files. So you can put Akamba Princess atuambie the statement, because she's also very much involved in this love triangle.
Yes,
so,
absolutely. Now, Kaba Princess, we want you to please tell us your side of the story. When did you meet Miss Corres? Do you know her? And what is the relationship between you two? What has transpired between the two of you? Please take the mic.
I've never met Sonkei. I do not know Sonkei. Papsa is my boyfriend. That's it.
Your Honor, you can cross-examine the plaintiff. The defendant, sorry, the defendant.
Thank you, Madam Prosecutor. Come on, Princess. You say that you don't know Sonkei Kores, but at some point Sonkei Kores said that you indeed had a three-way call with Sonkei, Papsa, your boyfriend, and Sonkei, right? Is that right?
Yeah, like we've never met physically, but we talked today on phone.
Can you give us a little bit of insight on what you talked about or what you were discussing? Thank you.
Sorry, I was very tipsy. I can't remember, but Papsa can talk about it.
Papsa, do you want to help your girlfriend? At least we know what you guys were discussing.
No, they woke me up. I was still tipsy. I can't remember anything.
Thank you. So, you can't remember, but Sonkei remembers exactly what you guys discussed. Sonkei approached the bench and...
I remember...
Can you put me on big screen? Can you put me on big screen, my honor? Your honor.
Yeah, my honor ni nani?
Your honor.
Remain silent. Papsa, remain silent. Come up, Princess, remain silent.
Put me on the big one so you can see well.
Relax. We will order that.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, my honor.
Since you don't remember both of you, the boyfriend.
So I just wanted to approach the bench.
Order. It's okay. Just because you guys don't remember what you discussed, Sonkei was sober, and she indeed remember.
Okay, I don't understand why this screenshot is here because we're talking about a phone call.
No,
we're not talking about screenshot.
Okay, you wanna give me the mic?
Order. Everybody order. Everyone order. Since Papsa and the girlfriend, Kaba Princess, don't remember anything because you guys were tipsy, then the complainant has everything and she's gonna take us through to what led to that conversation. Take it away, Sonkei.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. So first of all, I want to debunk whatever Kamba Princess said that she doesn't know me. This is 2021. This lady, she's been, this is our conversation 2021. Sitaki kuweka kila kitu. So she has known me since 2021. And at that time, I was even dating a Nigerian man. And she's been stalking me. So I do understand why she came for Papsa, because she actually been checking me out everywhere. Anything I do, she's been walking a step with me.
Maliza story yako bana, utoke bana.
2021, Sonkei.
Unaongea mingi bana, maliza story uende.
That's not the way you operate.
Alafu umetoka kunyonga na King Mash, unakuja hapa hivi unasema mimi kuanika na nini yako. So ongea mambo ya maana, unatutumia hapa screenshot ya matakataka za 2021.
Order, pap.
Can you
umenyonga hapa hivi na King Mash unasema mimi ndo nimetuma siki dembe.
Pastor, do you have evidence what you're saying?
Nifungeni leo. Huyu Sonkei ache ujinga. Hii mambo gani bana, mambo ya 20 ati Kamba Princess. Hata kikustock utafanyaje?
So,
I can't stop.
Sonkei. Go
yes, Your my honor.
Go direct to the conversation because they say that.
Okay, so I wanted to just confirm that whatever she said that she doesn't know me, she has known me since 2021. Thank you. Okay, let's continue. So today, Your Honor, is my mic on me or somebody else?
Well,
no, the mic is on you.
Nonsense.
Yeah, the mic is on you.
Prosecutor, can you mute Papsa, please?
No, go ahead.
No, he's muted himself, so just continue.
So yes. Today I was on a WhatsApp call, Mimi, King Mash na bibi yake. We were just chilling. Normally, msiponiona hapa TikTok na kuanga mali tumechill tu tunaongea vitu zetu. This woman, Kamba Princess, from nowhere, akanipigia simu. After tumepigana huko kwa Big Daddy, nikamwambia ukweli, nikamwambia vile vitu ziko kwa ground. Akaambua na Mia, hata kama unachukia Sonkei, kuna vitu Sonkei anakuambia ni ukweli. Her herself call me. Akaniambia Sonkei, na kucall lakini nimecall Papsa na simu ingine. Nataka saa hii aniambie ukweli. Kuna vitu umesema na Sonkei ni ukweli. So mimi sikuwa najua wamelewa. Mimi nilikuwa soba. Mimi sikunywangi pombe hivyo. Nikakaa nikawasikiza. Na hata bibi ya King Masha akaniambia Sonkei wachana na hizo call za Papsa na Kamba Princess. Wanakuchokora tu, wanataka urudi na usirudi. Nikasema nikamwambia aki wamenicall, wacha niingie kwa hii chai yao. Ni nini wanasema? Kujoin wanapigana. Huyu Kamba Princess anamwambia, "Papa ulisema hivi." So ni vitu zenye Papa ameniambia kuhusu Kamba Princess na mimi nikaambia Kamba Princess. So alikuwa anaambia huyu sasa, Papa ulisema hivi. Papa unataka wanawake wawili. Papa ulisema nini? Ukasema na si nyinyi wote nawapenda.
No, he didn't say that.
Alisema hivyo.
Wewe unaongea lugha gani?
Ngoja nimalize. Let me finish. Na hata Kamba Princess, you drop the call. Mimi na yeye tukaendelea. Akaniambia Sonkei, unaniletea stress gani hapa seriously? Na unajua wewe ndio mama lao. Unaniletea hizi stress kwa nini? Akaniambia, you know how much I love you. Wacha kupigana na mama na okota TikTok. Hivyo ndiye aliniambia. Then nikakaa nikasema, Kamba Princess, by the mimi I fell in love with you tonight vile ulikaa chini ukajua ukweli. Tukaenda kwa Menes, mnakuja tena kunitukana. Nashindwa, kwani kumeendaje? Na mimi call ya mwisho ilikuwa mimi na Papstar. Wewe ulidrop, nikabaki na Papstar. Akaniambia ukweli yote. Na bado aliniambia Sonkei, nimekuambia unipatie wiki moja. Huyu namtoa kabisa. Nikamwambia achana naye, if you love her, ni sawa. Twende nalo. Pap sikukwambia hivyo?
Hii story unajijengea siku moja ama ni nini? Yaani wewe umekuwa master wa uongo.
Oh my God. My honor, I have said exactly what went down in that call. No.
Sonkei, stop.
Are you a judge? Wewe.
Mimi nimekuwa kokotini mzee.
Muwapatie mic.
Mimi nimekuwa kokotini mzee bana. Ni yaona.
Wewe.
Unajitetea na uongo kweli.
Can you mute them? I am talking.
You are done? You are done now.
Okay. Yes, I'm done. And I said the truth and nothing but the truth.
Kamba Princess, approach the bench hapo juu, please. The prosecutor, Kamba Princess, you said you don't remember anything, but you are refuting some details, some statements that has been said by Sonkei. Do you have anything to say before we get Paps also to defend himself?
I know Papstar has been dating me alone. Sonkei anaikilia maneno. She's lying. I'm the only girlfriend. So Papstar can confirm that. Sonkei anajipendekeza.
Okay, thank you. Papstar, approach the bench, please.
Mimi niko hapa.
Approach the bench hapo juu. I'm the prosecutor.
I'm right here.
Approach hapo juu. Okay, Papstar. Yes. Serious. Sonkei. Papstar. Sonkei has claimed that you had three-way call. You said you don't remember anything. Did she lie anything? Do you remember anything that she said? Beginning the lies? What?
No, everything she said was bullshit. It was nonsense. I don't really remember, but they just woke me up. Waliamka hapo hivi bana. Wananipigia yeye na Kamba Princess. Nashindwa hapo hivi rada.
Wakakwambiaje?
Wameanza tu kuongea mambo mingi. Nika drop, but wacha niwaambie bana, mimi mtu wangu ni Kamba Princess. Nimetulia mimi nimetulia kwenye kutulia. Sonkei ameenda bado hapa.
Yuko hapa.
Eti mfungwa ni mali safi.
Watu wanafikiria wanaongelesha tu mtu hivi hivi bana. Mimi hao wanawake wananikula kichwa, lakini nimeamua kutulia. Sonkei anajaribu kunichafulia hapa hivi, siwezi tikia. Acha binti like kamba princess, unanipata?
Kamba princess, Sonkei please. Ametreta zina nani hapa? Were you at any time dating Sonkei? Because Kamba princess said you've never dated Sonkei.
Sijai nimefungua live yangu mimi nilikuwa nikikata Sonkei kila siku.
Okay, Sonkei,
kila siku.
Yeah, what do you have to say, Sonkei, about that?
That's not true.
That's not true. Aje. Turudishe ma recording.
Asiwache niongee.
Okay.
Order. Moderators, hebu neke moderator hapa LJ, I don't play.
Your Honor, I'm on it. Don't worry, Your Honor. I'm on it.
That's not true, my honor, because
Hapana, sema ulikuwa una date King Mash.
Wait.
My honor.
Acha ujinga.
My honor, wachana na King Mash,
ulikuwa una date King Mash ndo mkanyonga. Alafu unakuja hapa kusema mimi ndo.
Usitaje tena King Mash wewe, usitaje King Mash tena wewe.
Na nitaambia King Mash bana atume kinembe yako bana, usinipime. Kumbuka.
Usitaje King Mash tena.
Kwenye kutulia bana, najua mlinyonga na King Mash.
King Mash is
You can now mute anyone that you need to mute.
Unafikiria ni mjinga.
Broki.
Ilikuwa kwa
Broki ni nani?
Niona can I represent
my wamekuita Broki.
Not yet, Auka. Wait.
Okay, so Your Honor, allow me 1 minute.
Uko muted, unaongelesha nani wewe?
I need Sonkei. Miss Sonkei, you're interrupting when people are speaking, and that's wrong. Allow me to introduce Judge Auka is in the building, and he is going to be a representative, legal representative for one of these individuals. So Your Honor, Judge Auka in the house. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, Auka. Today you are Anthony. You are representing. I don't know who you are representing. Auka, you can tell us.
Thank you so much.
Who are you representing today?
Today I'm representing my client Sonkei Kores, the only successful Maasai in America.
Thank you.
Ngoja ulikuwa useme the only man you know.
Thank you very much, Sonkei. Now you can, I think, Auka, you can take over and tell us about the dating. The girlfriend. So if you can give us a little.
Your Honor, my name is Auka, and this morning I am here to represent my client, who is the main plaintiff in this suit before you. In love with my client.
Objection, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I request to make my submission before I engage the
speculation, Your Honor.
As you all know, in the States, if you're a felon, you can't work, there's nothing you can do. Told her the most beautiful words, just to realize later that it was all a con game or a wild goose chase. We are going to present evidences that clearly shows the defendant's intent to deceive, including falsified documents, misleading communication through text, video calls, and testimonies from witnesses who observed the scheme of this deception unfold. You will also hear directly from my client, who will share how this
Auka for that. It was well stated and precise, short and clear. Senior Counsel Magda Harris, who is representing PAPS, you may approach the bench kindly.
Your Honor, thank you for this opportunity. So I wanted to give a little, I wanted to put forth what transpired between my client and Senior Counsel Auka's client. My client did not try to get anything from this woman. This woman was the one that was trying to buy my client with money in the name of love. So my client saw an opportunity and he decided to take it. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. If a woman presents herself and acts like she has a lot of money, my client cannot deny the money. Your Honor, you can't come crying after you have given your money willingly. My client did not rob him, Masharia is a very common name, and if the name does not fit my client's name, we don't know which Masharia the money was sent to. My client's name is not Masharia with an S, it is Macharia with a C. So whoever is Masharia with an S is not my client. So even if you call my client Broki, my client has a right to take any money given to him if it was not taken by force. So we can go take this to trial and we will go head on till the depths of the law. Thank you very much.
Thank you, M.
Thank you very much, Senior Counsel Magda Harris, for that submission. Now, Senior Counsel Auka, you add what the other defendant lawyer said. Do you have anything to add before we now grill the complainant and the plaintiff, or the defendant and the complainant? Senior Counsel Auka?
Your Honor, obtaining money with false pretense, be it in terms of deceiving somebody that you are in love with her, is is wrong, and it's contrary to our penal codes. So whatever the attorney for defendant, Mr. Papster, just said, I request the court to remove them from the recordings, because if we really want to live in such a society where everybody can just con, for lack of a better word.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
There is no evidence that my client conned anybody. Let's not throw words around.
Thank you. Okay, I think
Your Honor, I'm not yet done.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Senior Counsel Auka.
Thank you. The matter before this court, Your Honor, is a very sensitive matter, and I would love to see this court setting up precedents, because for a very long time we've had such cases before where women are swindled money with this hubris and gigolos, for lack of a better word, who have refused to work hard in as much as they are not
Objection, Your Honor.
Excuse me, Senior Counsel
my client does not work hard. We see him driving trucks every day.
Excuse me.
Objection sustained. Senior Counsel Magda Harris, go on.
Your Honor, the defendant here has got no valid driving license. You know, he's a career truck
Objection, Your Honor. How does he know? I can present evidence. I just can't put my client. Objection, Your Honor.
Please
my client drives box trucks and has a job. Stop speculating.
Order, Senior Counsels.
Your Honor, we have got evidence of Papster writing messages to one of the witnesses, Carol M, requesting for Carol M to give him the box truck because his license is now suspended after coming out from the jail. We know this guy is jobless.
Issue, Your Honor.
I don't have a license.
Your Honor, that
he
is
has
a false,
license, Your Honor.
No,
stop lying. Do your research, Senior Counsel Auka. Do not speculate. He has a license. Thank you very much.
Okay, do not show it again on camera because you will be dropped by TikTok. But thank you. Sorry for the interruption. Senior Counsels, you can continue.
Will I be right if I call Papster?
For speculation, Your Honor. Cause for speculation.
Yes. There is no speculation there, because tell me why.
Exhibit A, my client showed his license.
Why couldn't your client then afford the basic $60 for a motel?
We are going to discuss that in court. Right now we are objecting to you saying my client does not have his license, which is a lie. We have established that. Now go on.
I want to be clear, Auka. I want to put this clear.
We're injecting today, Auka. Bring it on, man.
Order, Senior Counsel Magda Harris. I want to put this clear. You can have a license, but it's flagged. You have points. You cannot drive a CDL, or you cannot be able to drive. So, Senior Counsel Auka, I think you need to do more research, but that is the way it is. Go ahead, Senior Counsel Auka, please.
Your Honor, that is actually my point. That in as much as he owns a valid driving license, he can't be on the road with it because it's suspended. You know what I mean by suspension.
Objection. My client comes live driving, and I have had him speak to his manager. He has a job. They would not give him a job driving box trucks without a valid license.
Can you give this court evidence of your client driving?
Yes, I have evidence of my client driving every day on his live. Yes.
Can you show the court?
And I have evidence of him talking to his manager.
Can we have those recordings or videos or wherever they are displayed on this court today?
Yes, we can display it. Give me a minute. We're going to display it.
Go ahead.
But let me tell you, do not speculate, because Auka, he comes, the comment section, they know him every day. He comes live driving. Because you haven't seen it and you haven't done your research, you're speculating and you're throwing false allegations. Senior Counsel Auka, stop throwing false allegations and put your money where your mouth is. We need you to come with serious evidence. You brought this up, Senior Counsel Auka. You brought this up, and you need to tell us how.
Senior Counsel Magda is trying to play victim.
I'm asking, how do you know he doesn't have a valid license? I do not want to be muted. Stop muting me.
Your Honor, if it's okay,
It's okay.
I think
Your Honor,
and moderators
Your
do
Honor,
not mute the
I
senior
want to
counsels.
debunk the fact that he came here with false allegations that my client does not have a license.
Your
We
Honor,
need you
if
to
we
bring
cannot be
evidence
allowed
that he
to
does not have a
engage.
license. I don't have to bring evidence to prove that my client has a license. You're the one bringing these allegations, and you need to back your allegations up. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Auka, do you have evidence that he is not allowed to be on the road, please? That is the only question from Senior Counsel Magda, please. Auka, do you have
Okay.
evidence?
My client, are you there?
Yeah, she's here.
My lawyer.
Is Popstar driving currently?
I did clean his license. I paid for his eval.
Check it, sir.
No, Magda, wait. Yeah.
Your Honor, I hereby recuse myself from this case because my client amekuwa mguruki.
You look like a fool. Thank you.
No, Auka, no, you are not a fool.
I'm recusing myself from this case.
So, order, guys, order.
No, Auka.
Order's okay. Let me clarify something. Before you were here, that's why we love, I like all parties to be in the court on time. She earlier said, Sonkei court see that she cleared everything, $100, and he got back his license. So, Judge Auka, you need to do more research. Now is your time to debunk on that, Magda. I think you got it. Thank you, Magda. Senior Counsel Magda. Do you have anything to add? We are not allowed to smoke in the court. You can always flip the camera the other side.
Yes, do not smoke in court, kindly.
We are recording.
Wewe, Papsa mute. Ebu zima hiyo kamera sahi.
Your Honor, can Senior Counsel Auka control and refrain his client from speaking to my client? Thank you.
Oh, yes. Ninamuongelesha, we ni
Do
nani?
not address my client.
Ninamuaddress. Zima kamera.
Your Honor, we're in court.
Zima kamera, Papsa.
Your Honor,
Jack, zima kamera.
Can this lady refrain from speaking to my client?
Kamera.
No, I've already removed him. TikTok asked me to drop him, so I dropped him.
Magda, acha huyu ujinga. Unaniambia nisiongeleshe pap kama nani wewe? Unanijua ama unanitambua?
We're in court. What is going on here, Your Honor?
Court ni wewe, wacha kumeza nani?
Is this a behavior allowed in court? Because we can go ghetto style if this court allows.
We
can go the long way or we can go the Garcia way.
Magda is done. You are done. So
Your Honor, why is this lady insulting me in a court of law?
No. So okay, we are not allowing that, please. So, Magda, I think.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Auka said something very important, and your client was swindled, was conned, in other words. And on your defense, you said she gave willingly. Can Auka give us evidence that a client was forced to support or finance PAPs? Auka, please.
Your Honor, on September 23rd, my client sent a whooping $1,000 to one Mr. Popstar, who texted my client that the Motel 5 he was residing in, he was being chased away. As a result, my client sent her $1,000 as shown in the following exhibit. So, Sonkei, please put up the screenshot of that. Thank you.
Mr. Pap, you have to remain with your camera closed because TikTok is asking me to drop you every time, and I don't want to do that. Ms. Sonkei, can you position the screenshot well? Use the front camera. Flip the camera, please.
So this is
Remove, make it clear.
just for the record, Your Honor, swindling doesn't mean forced. So I really want my senior fellow learned friend Magda Harris to
Your
know the
Honor, he
difference.
had used the word con before, so swindle we can deal with that. Don't act like I put words in my mouth, in your mouth, Senior Counsel Auka. Thank you.
Thank you, you are my learned friend. There's a difference between swindling
and there's a difference between con and swindling. You're the one who said it, not me. Thank you.
And conning and swindling are synonyms. They go in tandem. So,
Your Honor, we are not here for English lessons. Thank you.
Your Honor, if a subject goes before a verb, then the preceding pronoun. Sonkei, would you please put up the Zell screenshot?
Yes, please. And Senior Counsel Auka, we need explanations as why your client sent this $1,000 to Paps. For what reasons or for what purposes, please?
Your Honor, for a very long time, my client has knew that she's the only fish in Lake Victoria.
Your Honor, it's not my learned friend. It's not new. It's known. My learned friend, that was poor grammar. It is not new. It's known.
For a very long time, my client. Your Honor, can you get me?
Yeah, I hear you.
For a very long time, my client has been receiving beautiful names from Popstar, like you are the woman of my life, the girl of my youth, daughter of the plain highlands, And as a result, this guy...
We need evidence to back these false allegations.
The evidence is already shown on the screen right besides me.
Honor, if I may point out that this message of I love you came from the person sending the money, not from my client. We need evidence showing that my client said the things that Senior Counsel Auka is claiming that he said.
Objection, Your Honor. Can I just...
What are you objecting to?
Order Senior Counsel Auka.
What is Magda?
No, wait a minute, Sonkei. So earlier,
My lawyer, this is a weekly basis.
Order.
Your Honor, for the record, just to give you a synopsis.
Ariel Ron, we had the current girlfriend by the name Kamba Princess, who told the court that what's the name? Paps. And
she's the new lady to be swindler.
And so,
can we have like decorum in this court?
I don't know why she's allowed to open the microphone. I really don't know.
Sorry, Sonkei, can you mute kindly? Miss Collins, we will have to throw you out of court if you're not following protocol. You're interrupting the senior counsels. You cannot interrupt the judge of the senior counsels.
So, Your Honor.
Thank you.
But Auka,
yes.
You claim that your client, Sonkei Kores, thought she was the only fish in Lake Victoria, meaning that she was the only love of your client, right? Of Papsa. Whereas Kamba Princess, who is in the court, said that she is the only girlfriend, and Sonkei never ever dated Paps. What's your take on that? And maybe after you tell us your take, then the Senior Counsel Magda Harris can expound on that, on this. Thank you.
Your Honor, my only response to Kamba Princess is, according to Kolo and Liz 2025, I quote, na huyo mpenzi wako unaeringa naye ni Mungu amekupa wewe una chako una. Thanks so much, Your Honor.
Thank you very much.
Your Honor.
Your Counsel Magda Harris, approach the bench regarding.
Thank you, Your Honor, for this opportunity. My client did not follow Sonkei Kores. Sonkei Kores at first was interested in my client's brother, where she went ahead to flaunt his picture. So my client did not want anything to do with a woman that was already dealing with the brother. She started hanging out on my client's platform, and she started stalking my client, and my client kept dismissing her. And the only thing she said is, if you let me, hear me out, if you let me hang out with you, I will help you with your bills. So my client entertained Sonkei Kores because she offered to take care of him. She offered to pay all his bills. She tried to buy my client's attention
Objection, Your
and
Honor.
affection.
Your Honor, objection.
Go ahead.
Can I cross-examine the
Your Honor, how does he cross-examine in the middle of me talking?
I think Magda Harris.
You object when you're objecting to something that I said that you don't think I should have said. What are you objecting to, Senior Counsel?
Senior Counsel Magda, when you say that when you say that your client was entertaining, Your Honor, I find that one very
problematic,
derogative in the first place.
Oh yeah.
We're not here to stroke your emotions and whatever. Like, we say what we say and we move. My client entertained your client because there was financial gain and he saw an opportunity and he took it.
Your Honor,
if you present yourself as Mboka, if I may quote, we don't play with Mboka. We take Mboka very seriously. Your client, sorry, nimeshema. Your client decided to become Mboka. Yeah, my client. And my friend, nobody was forced. Friendships come to an end. And you need to accept, Sonkei, that when you are rejected, rejection is your portion. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Senior Counsel, you requested.
Your Honor, can the defendant confirm to this court, have they ever had a video call with my client?
Please go ahead.
Can the defendant confirm to this
video
court?
call my client all the time. That is not enough evidence for love. Friends video call each other all the time.
That is
there was
business.
no compromising positions in that picture.
That is business client attorney relationship. I'm asking, by any chance, has your client ever had a video call, an intimate video call?
Yes, Your Honor. My client has accepted that he's had video calls with this said woman.
Can he confirm that?
I am confirming it on behalf
Put
of
me
my
on
client.
big screen.
Your Honor, as you can see.
I have confirmed it for my client.
Put me on big screen.
Okay. So, Sonkei, how many times have you had intimate video calls with Popstar? Like, in short, Kunyonga?
Every day, Monday to Friday.
At what time?
Honor, I call for perjury is a crime in this courtroom.
So,
Monday to Friday, 2:30.
Perjury is a serious crime.
Seattle time.
yes.
How many times do you nyonga with Popstar in 1 week?
We do it on Saturday and Sunday.
But you say
Thank
Monday
you.
to Friday,
At
Your
what
Honor.
time? At what
Objection, Your
time?
Honor.
At what time? At what?
Objection, Your Honor. She said
At-
Monday to
No, no,
Friday,
no.
and then she
He
said
said-
Saturday
No,
and
Monday
Sunday.
to Friday, it is us
Video
talking.
calls. Yes.
Yeah.
And Kunyonga is purely on Saturday and Sunday.
Yes.
So in K, at what point did Popstar start to threaten you that is going to leak your nudes with him while on a video?
He told me he hasn't done that, but he sent it to his girlfriend in Kenya.
Yes. So Popstar sent your video screenshots with the other girls.
Objection.
in
We need
Kenya, right?
evidence.
Yes.
And now those girls have been blackmailing you that they are
Yes,
going
Magda huko kwa hiyo life ametumia my nudes to his girlfriend in Kenya.
Which one?
They came na wametumia Lady J. So can you tell prosecutor to take over from there?
Yeah, she has it. But the prosecutor you received that were being.
And Magda huyu namrudisha ndani, ngoja uone.
Okay, but the prosecutor, please.
Ms. Torres, can you mute 1 minute? We need to be able to hear the judge. We can't hear him because of your microphone. Your Honor, you can take the mic.
Can you confirm to this court that you received the alleged notes from Sonkei?
Yes, Your Honor. I received a very graphic image of Ms. Kores from one of Paps associations, Papsters associations. I don't know whether that's a girlfriend, a lover, or just a friend.
And
But she did send the item to my WhatsApp.
Yes.
She sent me a V once. However, I did retain a copy. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Madam Prosecutor. Are you confirming to this court that the graphic that you saw was indeed Madam Sonkei Kore's nudes?
Yes, Your Honor. If you don't mind, Your Honor, I've got something that I want to ask Ms. Sonkei Kores.
Yes, go ahead.
So I'm going to go on the big screen, if that's okay.
Thank you.
And I'm going to ask her a question about an image. It is not graphic or anything, but just indulge me, Your Honor. Indulge me. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nimestuka.
No. Okay, so Ms. Kores, is that your leg? Do you have that tattoo?
I do.
Yes, Your Honor. So I've confirmed indeed that the video is of Ms. Kores. Thank you, Your Honor. You can take the mic.
Yeah,
Oh my God, that is true. That is my tattoo, guys.
So your Honor, this is a very serious case.
Order. It is confirmed that is Sonkei.
Can you put me on big screen?
Yes. Now she's
Yeah, just give me 1 minute. I'm bringing back the court emblem.
Yeah.
I'm trying to download it.
Your Honor, objection.
Wait,
I just want to put it across that my client.
Put
I'm
me on
talking
big
to Your
screen.
Honor. Your Honor, I want to put
Your
across
Honor,
that my
Ms. Kores, can you mute?
has
1 minute. Ms.
No,
Kores,
put
can
me
you
on
mute?
big
Your
screen.
Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, I cannot access the court, so you can mute Ms. Kores for a little bit.
Okay.
I'm trying to get back our emblem.
I need you to put
Your
me on
Honor,
big
I
screen.
wanted to point out to you that my client has a twin brother. So we don't know if it's this brother or the other brother because Sonkei was having relations with both brothers. So Sonkei, can you give us evidence that it was my client that sent that video? Because what came in my office
Somebody
is
is
the fact
going
that
to
you are not with my
somebody is
client.
going to jail.
Objection, Your Honor. Objection, Your Honor. I think those are,
Objection
No,
for
somebody
what?
is going to jail.
Your Honor.
Tell me.
Double trouble. You got played by one and you're
Somebody
blaming
is
it on
going
the
to
Your
other.
Honor,
That's
Your
a
Honor,
video.
I think my fellow learned counsel is trying to play this court dumb or
Your Honor,
she's trying
I
to,
have evidence.
Okay, order.
I think my learned friend is trying to make us appear as fools, including the jury and the respected court. My client is a very sober person. She stopped drinking 2 years ago. And all along, she's been very sober and she knows the kind of a person she's been dealing with. So, Your Honor, my senior learned friend, Magda Hari, is saying that maybe my client is not very
I did not
good,
say maybe, but
or
continue.
she's not, she's been talking to the twin brother. I request the court to expand such submissions. Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I need us to sustain that because we have evidence where Ms. Kores posted my client's twin brother and said that is the love of her life. How do you have the brother? You tried to get the first brother after he rejected you, you switched to the second brother and lured him with money.
Okay, thank you very much for that insight, Senior Councilman Aris. And again, I think what Auka should tell us in this court is that does the client have the conversation, the videos that is sent via WhatsApp or text messages as to have a number ambayo si ya kimash inaenda kwa paps. Please, that is what maybe Magari is asking. Senior Counsel
Yes, Your
Auka.
Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, even yesterday, then the phone number for Paps was posted, was displayed
Was it next to the video?
on Big Daddy's live, and he was so.
That is neither here nor there. We need to see the number.
Let me get something
together
here.
with the video claiming that my client was the one that sent this evidence to the girl in Kenya. We need you to show us the evidence.
So, okay, my client, the picture that has been displayed by the court.
I sent it to him.
Yes, thank
Only
you very
him.
much for clarifying that.
Your Honor, if I may say, he did not send it to PAP. She needs to show us the evidence. She sent it to the brother. Thank you.
So, okay, thank you. So, okay, what form of sending do you use email? Do you use WhatsApp? Do you use text messages, Snapchat, or what?
We use WhatsApp.
Your Honor, I would like to call my witness, Ariane, number bed 44. She received the picture and it came from King Mash. Stop accusing my client. You see the comment right there. I call my witness, first witness Ariane.
Well,
Your Honor, I need Ariane.
Najua mumeogopa, but I'm still gonna sue you.
Your Honor,
Hata mdanganye.
as Ariane is coming up, I also want to
I am
invite
very
Carol
aware of who I sent that video. I sat there, he told me, show me your body, and I did it for him in front of the camera. Kwa hii mirror. I can actually do it for you guys. He asked
Your
me,
Honor,
your video
can somebody drop for my witness?
Madam Prosecutor, can we have
Yes, Your Honor. I will drop Senior Counsel.
Hakuna mtu mwingine akona dunia mzima.
Miss Corres, order. Miss Corres, come on.
Your
I will
Honor,
drop Senior Counsel.
Your Honor, at what point are we introducing witnesses to this court? Was the witness there when this video was being sent?
After you send it to your girlfriend in Kenya, and I'm gonna sue you for it. Thank you.
Your Honor, can we have order in court, please?
Order, please.
Absolutely. So, Miss Corres, again, as I was saying before, you rudely interrupted me in court. I will drop Senior Counsel Yami Mami. Senior Counsel Yami Mami. I think Papstar has now decided to cover it, the girlfriend's eyes using gifts, but we will see how far he will go, Your Honor. Senior Counsel Yami Mami, I will drop you now and we'll come back to court later. Thank you.
Your Honor,
I had to mute.
Very Black, please proceed as I take a sip of water. Thank you, Senior Counsel.
Thank
you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, what kind of language is this?
Order. She's been dropped out of court because that was very.
We should have some order. We should
Order. Let us have some order. So
Your
now,
Honor, I want to present my first witness, Ariane. I have a couple of questions. Ariane, unmute yourself. I have a few questions for you. Ariane, did you receive a video of Sonkei Kores in a compromising situation?
I was sent a screenshot by King Mash.
Madam,
give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, guys. The judge was actually speaking. The problem is
I apologize, Your Honor. I apologize.
Yeah.
Continue.
We can't hear him very well when all the mics are unmuted. So, Your Honor, can you take the mic?
Yes, please. So, you know the procedures of this court. You don't take it lightly. So, I think we have a king test here by the name Ariam, or if I'm not mistaken, Ariam. So, can she go through the process of swearing in, please?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Thank you. Ariane, first of all, are you Christian or Muslim?
I'm a Christian.
Okay, so welcome to court. I want you to say this after me. I, Ariane,
I, Ariane,
do solemnly swear.
do solemnly swear.
I do solemnly swear.
Oh, do solemnly swear. English ni ngumu kwangu.
That everything I will say before this court today.
That everything I will say before this court today.
Will be the truth.
Will be the truth.
And nothing but this truth, so help me God.
Anything but the truth, so help me God.
And nothing but the truth, so help me God.
And nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Thank you. Senior Counsel Magda Harris, you can approach the bench and continue with your cross-examination.
Okay, hi Ariane.
Hi Magda.
So I have a few questions for you. So did you ever receive any compromising pictures from Popstar? No, listen.
No.
Did you ever receive, wait, I will finish my question, then you will answer. Did you ever receive any compromising pictures of Sonkei from Popstar?
No.
So, but you received compromising pictures of Sonkei?
Yes, from King.
So the pictures that you received, who did they come from?
It came from King.
Your Honor,
King Mash.
Auka, your witness. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Ariane, how are you?
I'm fine.
The grill, I'm a grill.
Well, what kind of relationship do you have between you and K Popstar or King Mash?
Popstar and King Mash, they are my friends.
What kind of relationship?
Friendship.
On what basis did you receive a compromising video of my client?
Jamani, ongea Kiswahili, mimi sijui English. English inanisumbua.
Nauliza, ni njia gani ama video ya client wangu ulipata kivipi, juu ya nini?
Si kutumiwa video, nilitumiwa picha na rafiki yangu.
Mbona ulikuwa unatumiwa hiyo picha? Ndio nini ifanyike?
Aliniambia Sonkei yomtaka na yashinda yakimsumbua mpaka ashaimtumia hiyo kitu, nikamwambia hebu nione, akanitumia nikaona.
Baada ya wewe kuona hiyo video ama picha, ulitumia kina nani?
Lady Jacqueline peke yake.
Ulitumia Lady Jacqueline?
Yes.
Je, nia yako ya kutumia Lady Jacqueline hiyo video ama picha ilikuwa nini?
Kwa sababu Sonkei kwa live alikuwa ananitusi akisema mimi nanyonga na Popstar, ati watu tunashinda tukinyonga. Mimi nikasema mimi watu sinyongi na Popstar, wewe ndio wewe unanyonga na Popstar. Lady Jacqueline, nikasema I have the evidence, wewe unanyonga na Popstar na niko nayo. Alafu nikarudi, Lady Jacqueline akasema don't show people the evidence. Nikamwambia Lady Jacqueline, let me show you the evidence, uone ukweli, si mimi nanyonga na mtu, huyu alinyonga na mtu na nilitumiwa na mtu na sikusema ni Popstar. But Sonkei was insisting Ariane ananyonga na Popstar na mimi sijai nyonga na Popstar. Kamwambia Sonkei, wewe unanyonga na wanaume, na nikatumia Lady Jacqueline aone, na nikamtumia V1 because I never wanted her body to go viral because I respect it.
Why?
I sent it because why was she abusing me and falsely accusing me that mimi ufanya hivyo and I don't, and she was like, Sonkei, give me the permission. Alisema tuma. She agreed, she gave me the permission and I said okay sawa natuma. I have no mistake because she gave me the permission to do that. Will I be correct when I say when I ask that, did you have any intimate relationship? Ongea Kiswahili please, ongea Kiswahili, sijui Kizungu.
Je, nitakuwa nimekosea nikiuliza ama nikisema wewe na King Mash ama Popstar mumekuwa na uhusiano ya kimapenzi?
Hatujai kuwa na uhusiano ya kimapenzi, tumekuwa tu marafiki.
mumekuwa tu marafiki, na kivipi video ya mwanamke fulani mwingine unatumiwa ati ananitaka, inamaanisha nini?
Let me tell you, ukiwa rafiki wa mtu anaweza share anything to you. Ukiwa rafiki wa mtu anaweza kuambia I'm going through a depression or anything. Kwani huna rafiki ambaye kuambia kila kitu? Just asking.
Do you know, according to the recently enacted Cyber Crimes Act, it is wrong to share somebody's nudes?
I have no mistake because Sonkei gave me the permission. Alisema sawa, tuma, alinipea ruhusa.
Consent right there. Thank you, Your Honor.
My client, did you consent for Ariane to share your nudes with Lady J?
Never.
Thank you.
Consent, and when you say tuma, that is consent.
Never. I never said that. I swear to the living God, I never.
I think we should go through Menace recording tuone muone akiadmit.
Okay, my honor.
Yes.
This lady, she has been threatening me one week, 1 month ago. Auka, did I not call you sometime back about this? She has been threatening me. And
is this the lady who has been threatening you or trying to blackmail you?
Yes, and I've been sending money ndio nisitolewe uchi. Kumbe aliamuka tena akanitoa.
Okay, so my client, where have you been sending money to? Have you been sending money to Ariana?
Auka, just a minute, Mr. Auka. I want the evidence penye nilim threaten, because she's one who always threatened me she threatens me in my inbox and tells me, Ariane, mimi nikiambia Papa kutoa moderator atakutoa moderator. If I tell Pap to do anything, atafanya anything, because he listens to me. I pay Pap, and all the people in that live, your Pap, they're witness to all of this. She threatens me a lot and say to back off from Pap. And there's a certain live alienda akasema, there's a certain live alienda akasema, I will make sure Ariana uliwe. Please, can I talk? Please, can I talk? Please, can I talk? She went ahead and threatened, nita make sure Ariana ameuliwa na amepotezwa na mapolisi. And people walikuwa anani invite kwa hiyo live nione vile anani threaten. And I remember that time, even Magda alikuwa kwa hiyo live. Nikasema, Sonkei, you're going viral threatening me that you're going to take me to the police. I disappear, they kill me. Please, kindly stop that.
You had a conversation with Papster.
Which conversation?
People talk all the time. Relevance.
Ariane?
Yes, I'm
What's
listening.
the relevance? Objection.
Have you ever talked to Papster?
Talking about what specific? Because we talk more about kuja live yangu, okay then Ariane come live yangu, okay then Ariane come live yangu, okay then he shares me a lot of lives. Yes.
Okay.
I think
relevance, Your Honor, relevance.
Okay, Senior Counsel Magdaris, just a minute. I think Auka has a very good question. It's only that he doesn't know how to phrase it. Auka anauliza swali hivi, Ariana, apart from kuja kwa live yangu na moderator, do you have, wewe mnawasilianaga kina Paps? Because earlier you said they are your friends. Mkanapigiana simu?
Yes, they're my friends.
Okay, na mnapigiana simu?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we talk kwa call. I tell him, hi Pap, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. I'm Julia Hali and ani Julia Hali. But most the person who was my friend sana ni King Mash.
Okay. So katika hiyo hali ikatokea kwamba King Mash ambaye ni twin brother ya nani ya Pap akakutumia nude ya Sonkei. Kweli ya morongo?
Mia.
Ndio ifikia hapo. Ilikuwa lipi limejiri? Hapo ndo Auka anauliza swali.
I think I've already said it. Nimetoka tu kusema vizuri.
Say it again. Say it again.
Sonkei alikuwa anamtaka nani? King Mash. And King Mash akaniambia and akanionyesha.
Your Honor, there's a very important area I'm kindly requesting to put.
Yes, go ahead,
please.
Go ahead.
Great. Ariane, hi, how are you? Yeah, great. Now, Ariane, I'm more concerned of the conversation trailer, how this so-called photo, or rather nude, found way to your phone. So is it possible for you to display just a screenshot of your conversation where this note was sent to you by Mash? You need to know whether it came, the source, whether it was from Mash or from Pap, because that's where the
I would like before I give out any evidence in which I have King Mash to be here so that he talks the truth, and then I give out the evidence. Thank you.
Okay, but for this to be sent, there has to be that
call your brother.
I've actually shared the life na King Mash.
So now, based on this, we need to see. You don't need to display the number, but we can see up there based on the conversation how these so-called screenshot found its way to your phone. Now, based on that, we'll know.
I have said, and I have the right to say it again until King Mash is here and he talks, and then I'll show the evidence. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Honor. He can proceed. He's wait for King Mash to
Prosecutor, Judge, lawyer, can I take over from here a little bit?
You have something to say, Sonkei Kores?
Yes, I do. It's so disgusting. Whatever Ariane they are doing. Najua mnacheza na niko hapa na simu na King Mash. Yani amestuka.
Nobody kwa hii court, you're not telling anybody.
Yeah, nimemuita. Ako hapa kwa hii live. Is here.
Okay.
It is so disgusting. Let me tell you. Ariane, King Mash sijawahi mdate. The only thing mali brother yake ananiogopa ni kwa sababu mimi hutumia wao wote pesa. Wote wametoka jela pamoja. So niliamua kusimama na wao wote wawili. Wacha sasa niongee ukweli, cause by the it's so disgusting. Why will you do this to me, Ariane? I've been standing with this guy together.
Usilieje ukweli. Ongea pole.
Papsa nyamaza. I swear to God, Papsa, tukishuka hii live, wewe.
Okay, I have a question for you. There's a time uli post King Mash na ukamwita your baby.
I said that. Did I not say that? She did.
Uli post King Mash na ukamwita your babe. Yes or no?
What is wrong with you? Nilipost both of them together in one picture.
Lies.
Lies. Ulimpost alikuwa sijui position kwa gari somehow.
Sijawahi post King Mash peke yake. Sijawahi.
Usitustwe juu ya pesa yenye unatuma. Jibu swali, yes or no?
Pap, sijawahi post King Mash peke yake kwa video zote.
Sasa tufanyaje? Jibu swali bana.
Ariane,
can you shut up? I speak.
Ariane,
unaongea ujinga.
Do you have evidence hiyo ya akiwa amepost?
Can you show me that evidence that you're saying?
Uko nayo, Ariane?
Do you have it?
Ariane, if you have it, send it to our WhatsApp, the court's number.
Can you send it to Lady J? I swear to the living God.
Ariane,
tuma nielewe. Papsa nunyamaze niongee kidogo.
Wewe ongea, jibu swali vile inafaa, usilie.
Mimi nilie? Unafikiria mimi ni mjinga kama wewe? Mayona.
Mimi ni ule mjinga mwenye anatumiwa pesa.
Let's have decorum like
mimi ni ule mjinga anatumiwa pesa.
Na situmi tena.
Kaa kwenye kutulia.
You have something to tell us, please. It's not back and forth. So, okay, you had anything? If you don't have anything, you can proceed. Now,
yes, my honor. Let me tell you, our twins, vile nawapenda wote. Kwani mnaweka hiyo laughing emoji?
Kilio.
Mapenzi nao si kilio kwa Sonkei. Mimi ni gangster. Wacha nikwambie.
About the evidence, I think we should call all people I think we should call Mia. We should call some people wenye waliona. Kina Mia waliona, wako watu wengi waliona. Tuwapandisha hapa juu wote waseme.
Hauna evidence?
It's because King Mash told Sonkei to remove the picture that she posted of him.
Can I show you?
No, I also told her.
Can I show you the video I posted? Ngoja nikuonyeshe. Nikuonyeshe video nilipost.
Weka.
Yes, go ahead.
Your Honor, Sonkei has been threatening a lot of ladies who talk to Pap. I'm threatened Miss T, I'm threatened Black Pearl, I'm threatened Lady Monique, I'm threatened Mia, and she tells a lot of aliambia pia Mia, I think Mia should be here, that alinyongesha Pap. Sonkei will say every lady ananyongesha Pap.
Nasi mnamunyo.
Kindly allow me to approach the bench. There's a statement by Miss Kores, Miss Back. She mentioned that our twins nawapenda. So could you be in a situation where probably we are talking of a love triangle where Miss Kores is maybe or was maybe dating these two brothers, because she's talking about loving them both. She used that strong term, our twins nawapenda, and have been supporting both of them. And what's coming out is like she has been, is like she has been technically, you know, okay, from Papster, she has been buying love from Papster. What's coming up, okay? But Papster was there because of the help that he needed, not because of the love, which again, Senior Counsel Lauka has explained earlier that Papster must have used manipulative tactics to lure Miss Sonkei into sending him money for upkeep.
I don't see how that is a crime.
Is this a video? Oh, sorry.
That is not a crime. Nobody can get locked up for that.
Is this a video? Sorry. 1 minute. Ngoja kidogo. Wait.
What's your mashoni?
I'm just worried.
I think
could you have been dating the two brothers?
Imagine kwenda kudownload picha uweke hapo hivyo tujiweke.
So Arian, hii ndio picha unasema nilipost.
No, kuna ingine umepost.
Yenye ako kwa gari, si hiyo.
Kuna ile ulipost ukasema ati my man. I don't see Pap.
I don't see. Sonkei, I think Mary, I think forget about
kwa gari. Gari gani? Hatuna gari.
Usijifanye mjinga.
I think
na bebe na kapoa.
I think Blackberry had a very good statement. Carry on, Blackberry. This mambo za picha.
So Miss Sonkei, you mentioned that, and just to make it very, very clear, I'm actually on the side of prosecution because it's the people versus Papster. Okay, so I'm on the side of the people versus Papster. All right?
We are fine. So, all we need is me. Pap, don't worry. I got you.
Listen, just so that we get it very, very clearly.
We're good.
So that we get it very, very clearly. All right? You mentioned that you love the twins both. And from what we are gathering, at some point you posted the other twin, okay? Mentioning with a caption, my love. My man. So could you have been dating the twins at a go, or what's happening here, so that at least we get to know it, as in we need to get this straight.
Thank you, my client.
That question goes to Sonkei or Auka as a
yeah, I think the question is for me. I've never dated. This is the day they came from jail. Vile munamuona with hapa.
Can you answer Barry's question? We don't want to know where they came from.
I'm bringing him to speed. This is the day I met him and I started loving him. When he came from siju alikuwa kwa hoteli siju nini. This is the day and this is the man I chose. So I didn't have so much pictures until ye mwenye akaanza.
This is interesting. Okay, so you chose only one film, right? So you chose Pap.
Yes.
It was never
over the other two.
Objection.
Na sikuwa na picha mingi. No, Magda, let me land, jamani. Magda, allow me to land. So at that time, I didn't have enough pictures. Until ye mwenye saa ingine ndiye ananitumia. Akienda hapa kula, ameenda kutengenezwa nywele, ananiambia babe, niangalie vile nakaa, ananitumia ka picha. Lakini sikuwa na picha mingi. Picha nilikuwa tu nayo ni yeye na brother yake.
Sonkei, as Papa ever told you that wewe ndio mama lao?
Yes, he did. Alisema mimi ndio mama lao. Actually, that was the song. Tulikuwa wewe ndio mama lao. Unajua hata nikizunguka TikTok unajua narudi tu kwa mama lao. He said the same word you just
Aya,
said.
ngoja acha nikuerevushe. Aitwi mama lao, ni mama yao.
Mama yao.
Aya, tuendelee.
Hello.
Just a minute. Since I started the live, since I started doing Pap's live from the beginning, I've never had Pap cleaning Sonkei. Tangu nianze kwenda live yake. Like Sonkei could say, Pap is my man, but Pap will say in front of everyone,
But
I am not dating
we don't claim TikTok.
I am not in a relationship.
We claim the ground. Yeah, ananiongelesha kwa ground.
Yesterday Sonkei was being dropped 24/7 kwa live ya Pap. Alikuwa anaonyeshwa madharau, but she could still come up and say, I will call him, I'll control him, I'll send him all the money.
Hapo kesi hapa anapelekwa juu ya manipulation.
Ndiye alikuwa ananiambia rudi Sonkei, rudi. Like kwa ground vitu ni different kwa ground.
And look where we are right now.
Yeah. Hata sasa sijui tunasonga wapi. Sasa tukishuka hapa ananipigia ananiambia Sonkei unajua ndio mama lao. Tunaenda wapi?
Your Honor, can I
best with Pap because there's a pseudo Your Honor. Sonkei ametengeneza pseudo. Just go and search Sonkei. Utaona Sonkei ametengeneza pseudo. Ameweka Pap hapo. Let me bring the evidence.
Arian, wacha kujidanganya. Arian, Sonkei can never be obsessed. Sonkei ako na pesa. I can never be obsessed.
Many drop here, Arian.
Your Honor,
Ashuke atulia hapo chini.
Can I make my final submissions because I have to jump into another meeting the next 5 minutes?
Thank you, Auka. I'm dropping to if you drop.
Okay.
Umemaliza, mmeshindwa?
Bado.
Now,
okay.
Your Honor and members of the jury, on behalf of Auka and Sons Law Firm, we thank so much for your attention to this trial. And today you've heard the story that is so unfortunate.
Rest your case, miombeo bana umalize wewe.
Wewe Papsa nyamaza.
Please, don't interrupt, please. Order.
I'm sorry.
Your Honor, I request when a learned person is talking, can felons just mute? Thank you.
Felons.
Sema vizuri. Si felons. Sema vizuri.
Hey, chill, man.
Okay, my bad.
Simu tukishuka
jela, man, will be in contempt. Leave it.
Wewe ni felon. Sipigi simu by the way.
Okay, do not address my client because I will call you pia wewe nini.
Thank you. Your Honor, can I proceed?
Okay, you've been interrupting all the time. I don't know what's your problem.
You should be held in contempt.
Yeah. So, Auka, do your final submission, please, because we've taken a lot of time.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. So, today you've heard a story that is unfortunately and all too common, a story of trust exploited, promises broken, and a person, my client, has been left to pick the pieces after being deliberately deceived with the love, you know. The evidence is clear. And it's true the defendant made a false representation or lied or lured my client. And my client relied on those false promises in good faith. And as a direct result, she suffered real.
I'm sorry, put me on the big screen just a minute. I want to show you how.
Goodness Lord.
Senior counsel is talking. Hold on.
Senior counsel, Auka, go.
Okay, thank you. Before I was rudely interrupted, I was saying my client relied on those fake promises in good faith, and as a direct result, she suffered real, measurable harm financially, emotionally, and even now, her nudes are outside there, and it's a very traumatizing experience. Your Honor and the Honorable Court, swindling or fraud is not just a breach of contract or misunderstanding, but it is indeed a calculated move of deception.
And Your Honor, the word fraud is being used very willy-nilly at this point.
And Magda, senior counsel, your client fraudulently obtained money from my client. So that's why to us this is fraud.
did not prove any fraud was committed. We need serious evidence to prove that there was fraud.
The fraud was committed as we said before, the fraud was through sweet words.
You are just but senior counsel. The judge has not determined there was any.
Okay, that is our point of view. So let the court decide, you know. So your honor, when someone chooses to manipulate another person for personal gain,
I don't see any crime that was committed. Nobody goes to court for manipulation.
Can I let you then make the submission then I finish? Because if you keep on rudely interrupting me, communication 101.
Because let me tell you, senior counsel, manipulation is not a crime. You can manipulate people if you want.
Senior counsel, communication 101, turn taking. Why can't I just finish my submission, then you will make your final remarks, then let the court decide.
Objection. I feel like you're bringing issues that are not there.
No.
That is doing like
my client was manipulated through love, you know.
Order Auka kidogo. You cannot interject or object when someone is doing submission. Please allow him to submit vitu zake, do his own submission. Then from there you can tell us your own submission. Thank you. Go ahead, Senior Counsel Auka.
Thank you, Your Honor. Fraud, Your Honor, is not just a breach of contract or misunderstanding. It is a calculated act of deception. And when someone chooses to manipulate another for personal gain, the law must respond with clarity and conviction to protect the plaintiff. We are not asking or seeking for sympathy this morning before this honorable court. We are asking for accountability and fairness. We ask you to affirm the truth that matters, and the trust must be protected, and those who exploit others must be held responsible. On behalf of my client and Auka Law Firms, I respectfully ask that you find favor of the plaintiff and award damages that indeed reflect both the law suffered and the principles at stake. Finally, according to Patelo and D, wakudumu atadumu. Thank you, Your Honor.
For your submission, Law Firm. Now, Senior Counsel Magda Harris, you can debunk on that and do your final submission.
So I come here representing from Fietu Nation Law Firm.
Yes, right.
And we, the Fietus and Fietus Company, are here to defend Pop Star. And we are saying this man did not take any money.
So thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Remember to like, share, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. So guys, thank you. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye.